everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to sign out your devices to my Gmail account. So let's go to our Google browsers. So press the Google. Then you can see home, personal info, date and personalization, security, people and sharing. So we press the security. So let's scroll it down. Okay. So these are my devices. I am using Vivo 1920. So I am using this device using my Google account and my YouTube channel. And the Huawei tablet is also connected to my Gmail account right now. So only one gadgets are connected right now, but I am going to show you all the gadgets that I sign out already because I apply my monetization. So I sign out all of them from here in Hong Kong and also in the Philippines together. And then there is a third party apps which account that access my account. So these are the Camerafy, Prism, and Streamlabs. So let's scroll it down. So this what you can see here. So going up, scroll going up. So press the manage devices. Okay. So as you can see, you can still see your see my Vivo 1920 and my Huawei. So these are the devices that I signed out already. Let's scroll it down. So here in Hong Kong, I am using LG, Sony Xperia, and Samsung Galaxy. So these gadgets are already signed out. You see, sign out. And this Windows is in the Philippines, Vivo 1906, Vivo Y11, Oppo, Lenovo, and Asus. This is in the Philippines. These are my old gadgets, and my son and husband are using some of the gadgets. So they are all signed out, guys. So now I will show you how to sign out the Huawei. So press the three dots and press the sign out and press again the sign out, and it will remove all sign out automatically to your Google account. So I will not going to sign out now, guys. I will cancel. Okay, so that's all, guys. It's very easy. And if you see that someone is using your Google account, just press the three dots and sign out. Okay, and it will automatically remove to your Gmail account. So I hope you learned something from me, and thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye.